Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today I'm dead excited to have you along to unbox this. It is the new Inferno log grill or riser from Skillcraft products. Now, for complete clarity, Dave has sent me this free of charge to review on today's video. So that's that out of the way, just so you guys are really clear. Now, what is a log riser? So a log riser is something that it simply lifts the logs off the bottom of your wood-fired oven to allow an air gap for the air to get under, and it will create a better and hotter fire and flame in your pizza oven, which should result in you having quicker warm-up times, and your heat should be a lot hotter. So today what we're going to do, we're going to bring it in, we're going to unbox or unwrap this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to, after 30 minutes of having this lit, we're going to test it with the Inkbird Pro temperature gun. Now make sure you check out the unboxing video of this in the link above as well. Again, a really fairly inexpensive bit of kit, but that is really handy when using a wood-fired oven if you're not a pro user. And of course, if you do like what you're seeing, you're getting value from the content, please make sure you're staying subscribed and making sure that you're hitting that bell for notifications of when I release new content. Right, let's move you in and let's get into this. So as you can see, it's all nicely bubble wrapped up. Just a little paring knife that I'm just going to open. So I actually got this when I did the unboxing of the very first Vulcan Plus on a trailer with delicious coffee and Richie, and it's been sat since then in my garden waiting for me to unbox it. So well wrapped. It's made of high grade mild steel, heavy duty, 8 to 10 mil thick, and there we have it. So let's move all this packaging away, and I think you'll agree that as log risers go, it's a pretty good looking log riser. It's a perfect addition if you've already got the Skillcraft Tuscan grill. Check out my unboxing video in the link next to me, as well as the heavy duty log guard. Now these are £35 to buy on the Inferno wood-fired oven website, Skillcraft's new website, and I think £35 is a bargain, and that includes delivery. Black Friday deal, you could pick this up for £28. So a really good bit of kit. It's folded, so it's all made out of one piece. It's all folded, so it's laser cut first. And again, if you want to see how the factory works, head over to my factory tour video as well. Now let's get some sizes, shall we? So the length, the full length is 42 centimeters. The depth or width, should we say, is 16.1 centimeters, and the height up to this edge is 8.5 centimeters, and the height or the space below to allow the air and the ash to fall through is 5.5 centimeters. So really nice. Now let's get a fire going and let's see what the temperatures are like after half an hour of this going. So as you can see, the fire has picked up well, and I've just got some more wood that I'm going to put on top as well. The fire is now going nicely. It's been going about 10 minutes in total, and we're going to go in with the Inferno log riser, and all I'm going to do is simply use this to put all the wood to whatever side you want. For me, I always do it this side. And you just nestle the log riser into that. Any stragglers you can just, with a poker, push them under. And I'm then going to go on with some of these beautiful glow Baltic logs. And you'll see the little lip does stop the logs just there rolling off. If not, you've got the log guard as well. Let's have a look. The log guard does fit. I'll just get a little light in. The log guard does fit as well with the log riser to stop the logs rolling out if the lip didn't, but the lip does. So I'm going to take the log guard out because it's all about the log riser today. So I've got the Inkbird temperature probe, and now we're going to just have a little look. So in the middle where the fire was is 80 degrees, the sides 37, and the fire is about 100. So what we're going to do, we're going to now let this go for about another 25 to 30 minutes, and we're then going to get a reading of the oven. It is really cold outside. It's currently about 5 degrees, so we'll see how long this takes to get up to temperature. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to sit a couple of more standard birch kiln dried logs just this side of the oven, just to start warming up as well, ready to add to the flame. As you can see, this is now really going nicely. The air being drawn underneath up through the logs has really got this fire going. So I'm just going to move this out of touch. And yes, it is warm before I have all the comments. And then I'm just going to add another one on. I should have used my welding gauntlets. And you can see straight away, just moving those two other logs apart, the flame is really sort of picked up. So we give it the last 10 minutes before we take our temperature readings. Right, let's take a look. Wow, that is going nicely now, that is. Look at the flames rolling. And the log on the other side, you can just about see it's starting to catch even on the other side of the oven. Now, temperature of the floor, we're already up to, let's have a look. You can see that on here. Let me just get my light. (235.6), and this has been going now for half an hour. So really good, considering it's 5 degrees out here. Now previously, with this kind of outside ambient temperature at about 5 degrees, these would take a lot longer, maybe an hour to get up to temperature. So I'm really impressed. The log guard slash riser has definitely helped with the airflow. And you've got to say, it's just mesmerising to watch. I could sit here all day watching the flames. One of the logs just fallen off the back there because I have brought it out quite far, but you see it's just fallen off. But that's fine, because I'll allow these to burn down a little more, and then I'll get the log on from the other side that's starting to smoulder. And then later on I'll have some pizzas later on for me tea, I think. So there we have it, everyone. The Skillcraft INFERNO log riser and guard. Is it worth purchasing? At the purchase price of £35 including delivery, yes it is, definitely. I think it's fantastic, and I actually think you could double it up as a mini Tuscan grill as well if you wanted to. However, the Tuscan grill is an awesome bit of kit as well. It matches up with the log guard, so if you're already heavily invested like I'm in the Skillcraft set of products, then why not add these to your pizza ovens too? And also, let's say you own another oven like Igneous or Clementi, these are a really cheap option to add. And when I say cheap, I don't mean quality cheap, I mean price cheap. UK made as well, in the West Midlands. What more could you ask for? And I'm doing this to show you that this is, I've just temperature gunned this. It's 15 degrees on the outside. It is really cold out here though. But overall, a really good bit of kit. So if you're interested, head over to Backyard Pizza Facebook group. That's run by all the people that are interested in all things Skillcraft and pizza ovens. Dave and Lisa, who run Skillcraft, are on there. Pop them a message, head onto the website, it's in the description below, and order away. I just want to say a big thanks again to Dave and Lisa at Skillcraft for sending me this to try and keep. It is a really good bit of kit which I'll be using in future videos. So thanks again for watching, everyone. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you're hitting that bell for notifications of when I release a new video. Leave me a comment, say hi, I'll be sure to say hi back to you too. Again, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.